Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and today we have this car where we will install media receiver and rear view camera. So let's go. We have such rear view camera. Today media receiver I've already installed, but we need to connect camera to media receiver and we'll see how it is going in this card Accord Coupe 1998. We have few difficulties here. We have reverse lamp in our trunk. Our camera will be fixed in rear bumper, but all the wirings we need to pull to the trunk. Everything is out of the trunk. Our trunk is absolutely empty. Liquid gas system, I can't take it out. Here is the undercarpet space. We need to take away this plastic covering and check what wires are used to power our camera. So we remove the plastic cover, and here we see wires, and this is the hole we will place our wires from the rear view camera. And the camera itself we will fix here like in prelude to the rear bumper. As always, we have some difficulties. Here we can see the right cover for right reverse light, and this is for the left one. We can see the aftermarket bulb, and I suppose in these protective holes we can find our wires. And this hose goes inside the car, and it's quite difficult to get into. And they're not going to the rear part of the car where it is easily to access, but just inside the car. So we'll try to put these wires inside the trunk, because everything needs to be beautiful and hidden from the eyesight. So we'll pull the wires here and here and connect to our rear view camera connectors just here on the rear of the trunk. And I suppose this is the most difficult installation I've ever had. We can get inside the car, and this is our video cable we need to pull to our media receiver. So we need to pull it here and remove these plastic coverings, and inside this side plastic cover we need to pull our wires, video cable wires. This side plastic cover is easily to remove, just to pull, and it will go out. We will put the wires under the carpet. Here are our wires near the carpet. It's absolutely safe. We can close our cover. Then, under rear coverings, our video cable will go to our trunk. Here is our video cable inside the trunk. Then it will go in the upper side of our trunk to the left side of the car. Okay, now we have connected our video cable connectors and our power connector. Evidently we have one power wire from our video cable that needs to be connected to our power wire of our power connector. We will connect it just here, and here we go only these two wires that will be connected to these two wires, and they will be connected to these two wires to our reverse bulb cables. Now we have absolutely safe connection of our power wires. Everything is quite cool here in this side. And the only one thing left, we need to connect to our wires that come to our reverse bulbs. So how will we connect? I need to make two loops and to pull my wires inside the loops and then safely connect these wires with the other ones. And it's absolutely beautiful. Now it is safe and careful. We need to mount these fixings. I didn't film the connection to our media receiver, If you are interested in this, I left a link to my previous episode where I connected media receiver in my Prelude. This connection is absolutely similar to those. If we check the diagram, in this model we have pink wire that needs to be connected to power wire of reverse gear of the car, and in this model of media receiver we have the rear view camera signal input for simple connection to our video cable from the rear view camera. So we need just to connect the red wire of our video cable to pink wire of our media receiver, and that's it. Then we need to connect RCA connector from our media receiver to RCA connector of our rear view camera, and that's it again. Everything is finished now, and here you can see the result. This camera is with infrared lamps, but here we have some issue. I'll show you what we have. Comparing to my Prelude camera, this is, I suppose, a bit worse quality. Yeah, you really can see everything, but the detalization and the quality is quite poor. I suppose I really need to replace this camera to more quality one. Here to comparison I can show you what is the screen of my media receiver on my Prelude with the rear view camera that I've got in kit with my media receiver. The detalization is pretty good and much better than in my Accord. I'll try to configure my Accord camera, but if it is impossible, I'll change it. All this installation was on my Accord Coupe CJ 1998. We've taken this car to replace our smart city car. But for now, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and thumb up. See you in the next episode. Bye.
Лайк, подпишитесь и до скорых встреч. Пока.